Hi friends, we're going to learn a new math game today, and this game is called Movers and Shakers Teenagers, and this game is going to help us with a couple different skills. So one of them is going to be counting on from 10. Another thing that we're going to practice is our teenagers, okay, those numbers that are 10 and some more, okay, so 10 and some more. And the other thing that we're going to get to do is to move our bodies a little bit. Okay, so Movers and Shakers Teenagers is a game that will need a dice. And for an extra challenge, if you would like to use 2 dice, you could do that. I will tell you, if you choose to use 2 dice, that not all of your numbers will be teenagers. Okay, so that is the very challenging part. Okay, I'm going to use 1 dice for mine. And some of you might want to get your 10 frame because it will just help us. You won't really use it except to remind you that 10 is already full and that our dice is for counting on, for counting some more. So the 10 frame is really just a helper to remind us that we've already counted 10 and that we're starting with 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. Okay, so those are the tools you'll need. For Movers and Shakers 10 and some more, Movers and Shakers Teenagers, you will need to get your dice and you will need to first think of kind of an exercise or a move that you're going to do. So I'm going to say for my turn, it's going to be clap my hands. Okay, but not yet. The next thing I need to do is to roll my dice. Okay. How many dots do I have? You're right. I do show 5 on there, but let's remember we're counting 10 and some more. We're counting teenagers. And so because we're doing that, I'm going to put my 10 frame here, okay? And you will not have to do this part. I'm just doing it so that I can show you for this first one, okay, that we already counted 10, okay? So we've got our full 10 frame in front of us, okay? So 10 and I rolled 5 more. So I'm going to be counting on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? And I said that I was going to clap my hands. So that's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now it's the other person's turn. Okay? So you can leave these here. If you chose to use a 10 frame, you can leave these here. Again, it's just a reminder that we're counting 10 and some more. Okay, so now, friends, I forgot. The first thing we need to do is to choose our movement before we roll our dice. So for this one, I'm going to do backward push-ups. Okay, backward push-ups. Okay. What did I get? I did get 4, but we're counting 10 and some more. So if you have your 10 frame, you can start there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Maybe you are just using the 10. You're not using your 10 frame. You're just thinking about 10 in your brain, or you're thinking about 10 fingers. Okay? And so if we have 10 somewhere else, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So I'm doing 14 backward push-ups, and I'll show you what backward push-ups are. Okay? I put my hands behind me and I lift my bottom up and I do push-ups like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then the next person's turn again. They'll say their exercise or their move, maybe snapping fingers or jumping jacks, okay? And then you'll roll the dice to count on 10, and some more. Okay? If you're doing great with one dice, you can use 2, but remember, some of those numbers might not be teenagers. They might go into the 20s family. Okay? Good luck.